Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to check whether your YouTube channel is a brand account or not. So if you are a brand account, or if your YouTube channel is a brand account, you will be able to transfer it. So simply go and tap on your YouTube Studio. So once you tap on YouTube Studio, simply tap on the profile icon and tap on switch account and choose your brand account. So after doing this, you need to go to myaccount.google.com. After doing this, click your brand account and tap on manage permission. Simply click the invite new users icon and then enter your email address of the new Google account. Now set the role to the manager and click invite. So now make the new account the primary owner by waiting at least 7 days. Once you do this, you can also remove the old account if you want. And by doing this, you can simply transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.